Hello everybody, hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. I have been decluttering and cleaning like crazy in my bedroom. I'm getting rid of a lot of clothes that I just don't wear or I cannot wear no more. So yeah, this is what I've been doing. I have all my purses in my um pink organizer bins now. So yeah, I have all my purses in my bins. I have my Hello Kitty. I'm just kind of reorganizing this area right here. I have two bags of clothing that I'm going to be donating. Because where I live, people don't buy clothing at garage sales. But I'll be donating that next week. And I'm just going to be putting all my purses in these pink bins. I got these at Big Lots like a long time ago. And these are perfect for all of my purses. I got my everyday purses out that I use. But this is what I have been doing. This is my bedroom right now. It's a total mess. These are my everyday purses right there. My collage wall. I gotta work on that. So yeah, this is a total mess. This is my everyday purses that I've been using. So yeah, I've just been cleaning and working in here. And that's what I have been doing. Been decluttering and cleaning and just getting rid of stuff that I can't wear or can't fit. And just donating it to Goodwill because I have been getting a lot of new stuff to wear. So yeah, and purses fit perfectly in here. And I have a lot more room now under my vanity now where I kept my purses. So I have a lot more room. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment, and hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I'm going to upload. Again, thanks for watching, and have a good day.